So, it's gonna be time for the cut. So basically what we've done here is butter poach. Serving this with the yogurt whey and some distilled vinegar. We have the clams with the walnuts on top. And then we're finishing off with the caviar. And also a little bit of roasted walnut.
And we do have quite high acidity. That's how we cook, but we have also tried to balance that. Good.
Okay. So, please enjoy. Make sure to get a little bit of everything when we have this course.
Thank you.